Hello everybody and welcome back to another Off-Road Outlaws video. And today we're going to be buying a new truck because we totaled the OBS and getting a job, which is kind of important. So I'm actually on my way right now to pick up said new truck and, well, it's up there. Also, that's why we're not at home. Also, out of the RP for a second, we're here because the map wouldn't load. Okay, back to the RP. The truck should be in here. Something from the original. Is a Chevy. Is a Chevy from the 90s. Is that an S10? Looks like an S10. I already paid for it, so yeah, it's an S10. Let's go. Ow. I gotta fix that. It's gonna need a fixing anyway, so let's get her out of here. Let's get her down. I also rented out a house out here that we can pull up in for a little bit, so that's gonna help us a little bit, but we gotta fill her up. Alright. Where's the gas cap on this? Well, let me make one. We have a gas cap now. Alright. She's full. Let's go. She's pretty minty. No, that's not good. We got a house over here. So let's pull up to the house. Here's this one right here. So, I'll get right back at you guys. We're gonna go fix this old gal up, make her fun, if you will. And we're back. So, she's quicker now. And now we're going to the trucking depot to try to get a job. I'm kind of broke. Let's go. That's not over here. It's through here. Pop up out here. You know, I'll get back with you guys when I find it. Okay, we're back. We are at the trucking depot, which is also a gas station. And I think it's safe to assume that that's my truck in front of me. So, let's pull on up. I'm just gonna go find a spot to park. Maybe over here is good. Alright, that's pretty good. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go talk to the guys, see if... No, I'll get back at you guys in like an hour. And, well, let's see if I got the job. Nah. So I think it's like in here, maybe. So I got the job. The guy said I can't park over here. So, let's go move this, hop in our new truck, and go, well, and go do a delivery. We have some gas to deliver, some explosive materials, so we gotta be extra careful in this run. Parked like a douchebag. Okay. No, let's park like closer to the truck. Alright, let's hop in this thing and... yeah. Okay, so it's time. We move the S10 again. Trailer is attached. We got place to be. Apparently this truck was owned by a guy named the Rubber Duck, quote unquote. It's a fun little name. We don't want to wreck it. Apparently this truck hasn't been used since the 70s because it was used in a legal convoy. which is fun. Which is fun. I don't want a high center of this thing. It's bright. Oh. Stupid old dirty Mac, move. The frustration of being a truck driver is already becoming apparent. No! Pain in my ass. Alright, let's get moving. Whoa, 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 whoa. Bank it hard. We good. Let's throw an all-wheel. 4-wheel, whatever. This thing has 6 wheels, but no matter. Is the bridge out? Nah, it doesn't look like it. Hey, I've been down here before. And I wrecked the Chevy. Oh, yeah, I have. Let's get out of here. Luckily, this thing does have power steering fluid. Maybe. No, send it. Landed it. This thing's lifted enough. Woo! Alright. Let's get moving. Guy to turn down there. I'll turn somewhere else. We pop a quick UE. I'm not going into that river again. I even hit the brakes. We're not going into that freaking river. Not again, anyways. Pop in a UE. Let's get back up on the road. Oh. Trailer. We snagged the trailer. Uh-oh. Oh. Stuck. That is not good. That is not good at all. That is also not good. Okay. Not good either. Damn it. Come on! This thing is all-wheel drive. Throwing low. This is a problem. I'll get back at you guys when this problem gets solved. Alright, so we got her out and continuing our trek down the road over the river again. Had to back up a lot, so we're passing there we need to go, and we're gonna head into the farm area in which we need to be. Oh, no, don't crash. Don't go off the road either. We don't need that again. Alright. This is a little bumpy. I think that's the house we need to deliver these materials to. I don't know why the guy needs them. I'm not allowed to question. It's one of our big policies. We don't question people. It's pretty crappy policy. Whoa! I'm good. That's coming out of my paycheck. Alright, let's hop back on the road. There's another river over there. Whoa! No, not in the river! I have enough trauma with rivers. Let's get this thing out of here. Apparently this thing already has gotten into an accident in a river, so... I don't want to repeat history. That's a bad thing. That is a bad thing. Like the new Titanic 2, but we're not going to talk about that. Okay, this guy's a freaking racetrack. I want to be this guy. Well, I'm in a diesel truck with a turbo. This thing's probably worth more than his house. You know, no, I retract the previous statement. This place is huge. Okay, I'm surprised from all the banging this thing hasn't exploded. Okay. Let me pull up. Then I'm just gonna park. I'll pull up here. Let the guy collect the crap and just leave, I guess. I'm gonna leave the trailer here and I'm gonna come back for it then. Okay. Let's hop out and unhook the trailer. There's a new simple way to unhook it. Okay, none of those. Perfect. Alright. Perfectamundo. Let's go get the paycheck. He told me I didn't get paid until I picked up the trailer. I think he's probably done with the trailer now. Hopefully I can be me and be reckless because I don't have an explosive trailer behind me. Apparently this truck used to have an explosive trailer behind it. And it didn't go so well and it exploded, so once again, let's try not to repeat history. Did you say this thing can get in the trailer? What? Alright, let's head out. Okay, guys, I think that's going to do it for today's episode of Off-Road Outlaws. If you enjoyed, please remember to leave a like. It helps my mentality a lot, because I don't get paid for this, like I said in the last video. So, enjoy the rest of your life. I'll see you soon. I hit a tree.